How to log into your Standard Chartered Bank. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can log into your Standard Chartered Bank. So to do that, first of all, go to any web browser of your preference and in the web address bar, simply type in Standard Chartered. After that, tap on the first link, which is Standard Chartered Bank or sc.com. Now you will be taken to the official homepage of Standard Chartered, where in order to log into your account, simply tap on the login option on the top right side of your screen. After that, it will basically provide you three different options. You can either choose online banking, bill payment, or straight to bank. So for now, we'll simply choose online banking. Now in order to log in, you'll have to first of all enter your username over here. Now remember, your username is case sensitive, so make sure you use the correct case, lower and uppercase. And similarly, once you enter your password and then tap on the option login, you'll have successfully logged in or signed in to your Standard Chartered Bank. So that was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.